Hello, everybody！ 你好，大家好，我是小猪老师。So this is my, and this is bird, so it means to sell. And this is typing phone. Let's do the pin together. My, my. So this is first tone. So we write down number 4. So let's read again. My. Great job. Okay, now we got our job here. We have bread, donuts, coffee, cake. So let's practice it in Chinese. And please repeat after me 3 times. 面包，面包，面包。Great job. 甜甜圈，甜甜圈，甜甜圈。Nice job. 咖啡，咖啡，咖啡。Great job. 蛋糕，蛋糕，蛋糕。Awesome. Okay, now this is verb, my, and this is object. 面包. So let's put them together and to see how it goes. My 面包，卖面包，卖面包。Great job. 卖甜甜圈，卖甜甜圈，卖甜甜圈。Awesome. 卖咖啡，卖咖啡，卖咖啡。Great job. 卖蛋糕，卖蛋糕，卖蛋糕。Great job. Okay, now let's do the review. So, can you read first? So let's try. Great job. Okay, let's do it together. 卖面包，卖甜甜圈，卖咖啡，卖蛋糕。Awesome. Okay, this is question 1. Listen and choose the correct picture. So the first one is 甜甜圈，甜甜圈，甜甜圈。Yay! Great job. Okay, question 2. Listen and choose the correct picture. So this one is 卖面包，卖面包，卖面包。Yay! Awesome. So this is question 3. listen and choose the correct picture. Are you ready? 卖蛋糕，卖蛋糕，卖蛋糕。Yay! Awesome! So this is today's lesson. So thank you, 谢谢你 and see you next time. 再见。